I think the value in that is really is in the name itself. Crow's Nest kind of gives a great figure of that, where you can have an eye on kind of every part of the business, connecting some of the same details we're talking about with scheduling and purchasing and receiving and previous pricing and information handling and work orders and all that kind of stuff manifests, all of the individual details is where there's a lot of value there, where you can have one place where everybody knows to get it. The thing I like the most about the software, in my position, I spend a lot of time coordinating between people. And probably my favorite part about it is production scheduling, where I can see the way we write our estimates and the tasks that go with that between rough mill and CNC and assembly and finishing and all that. I can kind of look a week, 2 weeks ahead and kind of understand if we're going to be really heavy in one department or the next. And I can be very proactive about what jobs we release to the floor, or where we need to get the most amount of help, or some of our fastest people, whatever it is. Just being proactive and understanding how to keep ship dates, things shipping on time, where we've got 25 people on staff and lots and lots of details with each of the projects. It's a major core part of running the business day to day.